So I am here in Bidwell Park in Chico, California. And look at all this precious, beautiful nature. All those trees. All that amazing, beautiful nature that there is. Look at how beautiful they are. Beautiful, tall, and precious. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous those trees are. This tree is right here. It is amazing. And all that they do for us. And all of Mother Nature. And the smell of the trees. Oh, so good. These trees, they help clean the air. And I feel so grateful. Thank you, trees. Thank you, trees, for cleaning the air. Hi, my name's Maria, and I just thought I wanted to make a video on nature, on showing all the magic and the beauty that nature has. One of my favorite things to do is come out in nature and just hang out and connect and touch nature with my bare feet and my bare hands. Yeah, I'm sitting right now on the ground, have no socks on, just connecting with Mother Earth and grounding myself. Yes. Because a lot of the times, most of the time, I feel unbalanced. And I think for most of my life, I felt that way, unbalanced. And lately, I've just been coming and turning more to nature. And I've watched videos on the importance of grounding yourself and just having a connection with nature. And so that's what I've been doing. And honestly, I feel better. I feel more alive. I feel happier when I come out to nature. And even when I'm just admiring the beauty and the amazingness that nature is. All the joy that this park brings to the people of Chico. It's awesome. I'm lucky to live in a town that has such a beautiful big park like Bidwell Park. It's amazing. All the nature. It's beautiful. And lately, for my personal journey, I've been doing a lot of self-healing. Been learning how to love myself more. And I truly believe that self-love is so important. It is amazing to just love yourself, to make yourself happy just with yourself, not to rely on others for your happiness, to know that inside yourself there's this joy and bliss in here, and this love in here. Just to know that. It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, you truly, truly love yourself. You radiate so much love to to anyone that comes in contact with you, to anybody that comes in contact with you. You're just radiating love. And you might not even say anything, but just your body language, your energy is more in alignment with who you really are. And that is love. We are all love and light. We are all truly love and light. feel like this is a great time of healing on our planet, and awakening and awareness. It's a great time for my personal journey of self-love and self-healing. It's taken me a long time, and over the years I've been, learning to love myself more. Lately it's become more so. Something's been pointing me in that direction, just to love myself more, to love myself more, and to say, I am beautiful. I love and accept myself fully right now in this moment. I am divine. I am a beloved child of the universe. And I love myself. I love myself completely right now in this moment. With all the wounds and insecurities that I still have, all the quirkiness and weirdness, which I love my weirdness. I love and accept myself right now in this moment. I love and accept myself. The most important relationship that you can ever have is with yourself. It will be a lifelong relationship, the relationship you have with yourself. People might come in and come out, and usually that's what happens. People come in, come out of your life, but you always have yourself. Always have yourself. Always have yourself. And so to have a healthy, beautiful relationship with yourself is so important and beautiful. Just to love yourself completely. Yes. Just like these trees love themselves completely. How could they not? Look at these trees. They just love themselves. They are love. They are an expression of love and light and beauty and magic and wonder. They're just amazing. They are amazing. And they know they are amazing. They haven't been programmed or socialized like we have as little kids and throughout our childhoods. Yes, they know they are amazing. They know the truth. They are connected to the truth. It's time to connect to my truth right now, this moment. Just imagine, what if everybody loved themselves truly and honestly? We would be a happier group of people on this planet. And you know what? The more I love myself, the more I love the earth, and the more I want to take care of the earth. How can I not want to take care of the earth? The more I love myself, the more I love myself, because I am a part of the earth. I am connected to the earth. It's amazing. It's amazing. Yes. My spiritual path is my highest priority because it leads me to my truth, points me to my love inside. Look at that, how beautiful. How beautiful this world is. How abundant, Look at how abundant. Look at how many leaves, pine needles are on that tree. Hundreds, thousands, possibly millions. And the branches, there's so many, there's hundreds of them. Nature is abundant. And we have abundance inside of us too. We are abundant. Nature provides everything that we ever need. The universe always provides everything we ever need. It's amazing. It's abundance. There's abundance. That whole thing about survival of the fittest, it's a bunch of BS. Survival of the kindest heart. Why has that never, why isn't that promoted as much? You know, and there's no scarcity in the world. That's what they want us to think. But when I really connect to myself, I know that there's abundance for everyone, every human being on this planet. Look at nature. There's love for everyone. There's enough love for everyone. There's enough money for everyone. Food for everyone. There's enough of everything for everyone. Yes. And I mean, I still struggle in my mind with all these thoughts, all the socializing, certain negative beliefs that, I mean, everyone has been told or programmed somehow to believe, but we are truly divine beings. We are truly divine beings, love and light. And just saying this makes me feel goosebumps all over, and I know this is true just by saying it. I say it, I feel it. Yes. Yes, I feel it. It's amazing. We are amazing people. We're amazing beings. I send out loving vibes to planet Earth and to every heart on this planet, every being on this planet.